In this video, we are going to go over 4th March analysis for Bitcoin, and this is part 4 of keeping myself accountable, so that I'll make a plan over here and come back to this video and look at the plan and follow the plan and not do things outside of the plan that I've made for trading today. So let's get into the charts. So quick update on yesterday's trade. If you go and watch yesterday's 3rd of March analysis, you can see over here that we were in a long over here and we made about $200 in this trade. So the logic behind this trade, I explained it in the last video. You can go and watch it. So now let's go over analysis for today. So I have already marked out all my levels and key things that I look for. So you can see over here I've marked all my fibs, support resistance zone, daily, weekly, then naked daily point of controls, then SFP levels, and then some order block. So looking at the chart, I can see that there is a level over here. So I'll quickly mark the level, and also I can see one more level over here like this. And currently we have pumped a lot in London session, and we are tapping a very prominent zone of the 618 and golden pocket fib level from this high to this low. So let's get into it, trade planning now. So now we have marked the levels. I'll just put all the levels in one box and just mark them as levels. And yeah, so we are done with the levels. Now let's just turn off all the unnecessary things. And yeah, so now you can see over here that we are left with the CDW zones and the levels. So current plan for longs will be a long from this level like this till this high. If we manage to come to this level and just form a intermediate low, then sweep this low and then again pump with divergences, then I'll be happy to look for longs on this level. So let's just mark and write our requirements, which will be 3 time frame divergences or some bullish confirmation. So yeah, this will be the plan for long. Let's just put all this in one group and just name it long. Let's just name it long 1. Let's just say yeah. So we are done with the long plan for today, which is the long 1 plan. And the long 2 plan will be the SFP of this low. Again, same thing, there's a prominent level over here. So we'll just apply the tool over here. The trade will look like this. And if something happens like just we form intermediate low, then sweep this and then again pump, then I'll be looking for divergences at this moment with this low. So let's just write down the requirements we'll be looking at, so which will be 3 time frame divergences plus bullish MSS, which is bullish market structure shift. If we come here down very rapidly and form a low, then we don't have time to form lows on higher time frame like 1 hour 24. So forming divergences will be a bit hard. So we'll be also looking for bullish market structure shift. And then last thing that we'll do is look for some shorts. I'll just put this in one group and just name it long 2. So we are done with the long plans for today, and we are remaining with the short plan for today. So the short plan for today is we are already in a very prominent zone over here, and you can see over here in order flow also that so much longs have opened. You can see over here that open interest just spiked up with cumulative volume delta spiking up. This suggests that there were many longs opening up. So there's a high chance that this whole pump can get recovered, because you can see over here that this whole pump is also vector candles, which might suggest that we can recover this in New York session. We'll not rush into a trade right now. So what we'll be looking at is 24 minute, 12 minute and 6 minute divergence for the short. So let's just mark over here SFP of this high will be like this, and yeah, so this will be the short plan for today. And let's just write the requirements. 24 minute plus 12 minute plus 6 minute days plus SFP confirm. So one important part for this short is that we'll be looking for SFP confirmation. We are not going to enter directly. We are not going to enter directly. Like if the price pumps over here with divergences, we'll not enter directly because it is a little bit risky, because we have just broken out of 1 month range over here. So this is a little bit risky, but if we go high, if we go up, sweep this high and then again come down, then I'll be looking for shorts. So this will be the short plan for today. I'll just put this all in a group and just name it short one. So yeah, that's it for today. This is all the plan that we are looking for shorts and longs. So we'll just look at the long plans. These are the 2 long plans and this is the 1 short plan we'll be looking for. So I'll meet you guys in the next episode, which is of 5th March, and let's see what happens. If we sweep, I'll notify you guys in the free Telegram, which link is in description. So stay tuned for upcoming videos.